morning everyone. For this video, we are gonna present to you ang latest project natin, yung LC76 Rebirth V8 engine. Mostly mga ganitong unit comes only in manual transmission. So itong project na to, yung client natin bumili ng isang brand new unit, as in brand new unit, para ipa-convert into an automatic transmission. So ipapakita lang natin sa inyo kung ano yung naging outcome nito, and then we'll show you the features and also give you first hand yung drive-by on-road testing nitong unit. So pakita natin, ito na yung naging shifter nya. So kita nyo naman, it's a brand new kit, bolt-on conversion kit from Wholesale Automatics of Australia. Makikita natin dito sa kit na to, as in talagang pinag-aralan ng lahat. Hindi to basta-basta lang yung tipong kinonvert or ginawan lang ng paraan para sumakto. Lahat pinag-aralan, even the pedals, as you can see. Ito, nawala na yung clutch pedals natin. Meron na lang yung pedal ng brakes, and then yung accelerator. Ayan, nakita natin. So ito, brake pedal na lang tsaka accelerator, wala na yung clutch pedal. Itong kit na to, kasama pati yung pedals na yan, provided by Wholesale Automatics. And then look at the center console, as in talagang even the upholstery color match ng dashboard nung unit. So kapag umorder tayo nito, we'll have to send them kung ano yung kulay ng interior trim ng auto natin. So for this case, beige. So center console nya beige. And then since automatic na siya, dito mo na makikita yung indicators ng shifting nya, and marireset mo rin kung ano yung mga display na gusto mo. So pakita lang natin sample. So ayan, from park, lagyan natin sa reverse. Makikita mo nag-reverse din doon. And then neutral, so neutral din siya. And then when you put it into drive, drive din siya. Pero what's good about this transmission, no, meron siyang Tiptronic control. So lagay mo lang dito yung shifter. Ayan, makikita mo naging parang manual na siya. S1, tapos put it up, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6. So this is a 6-speed automatic transmission. So pagka gusto mo mag downshift, bababa mo lang ito. So S5, S4, S3, S2, S1. So makikita mo yung convenience na ibibigay sa inyo kit na to. Most of the would-be owners ng mga 76 series, nagdadalawang isip sila na kumuha ng unit, kahit na alam naman natin lahat, the 70 series is a very iconic vehicle. Halos lahat ng mga off-road enthusiasts dream magkaroon ng ganitong auto. However, what's holding them back, mahirap nga kasi i-drive, kasi very utilitarian itong design ng 70 series. Kung makikita nyo, yung dash talagang sobrang basic lang, halos walang luxury features. Tapos medyo, of course, mahirap i-drive kasi nga it only comes in manual transmission. Pero because of this conversion kit, you'll have the best of both worlds. Yung ruggedness, yung tibay, yung utilitarian function, and of course the comfort of driving an automatic vehicle. Plus yun nga, yung bonus, yung Tiptronic nya. So para ka ring may manual feature, ikaw ang masusunod kung anong gear mo gusto. And other than that, may isang feature pa ito. Pakita natin itong lock up. Ayan, itong lock up TCC. Ang function niyan is kapag when you're driving downhill, pipindutin mo lang tong button na to, para pagka naka-engage siya, pipigilan niya yung engine para hindi ka dumaustos pababa. So may feature siyang ganon, kasama rin yan ng kit natin. So tara, let's try it. So now test natin yung Tiptronic function. So ganun lang, ilagay nyo lang siya dito sa may leftmost. Tapos yung gear, nasa second gear siya ngayon. Hatawin ko ng konti, gusto ko i-third gear. Ayan. So para ka ring naka-manual somehow. Yung pagka gusto mo ng medyo spirited driving o yung ikaw pa rin yung in control, etong Tiptronic gagamitin mo. So ganyan ka lang, up. Tapos pag medyo bumagal ka, gusto mo mag downshift, ibaba mo lang siya, so magda downshift na siya. And then pag medyo bilisan mo ulit, plus ka lang. So very convenient. At saka talagang hindi pa rin naman nawala yung function niya na being manual, na parang gusto natin in control, yung sinasabi ng mga karamihan na you want to enjoy yung feature ng manual. Nandyan pa rin siya, provided with the Tiptronic function. So ayun lang, super okay to. For now, talagang isa lang masasabi ko, sobrang okay tong upgrade na to. Medyo pricey lang of course, kasi syempre lahat ng pyesa na kinabit puro brand new, and it's a whole kit. Lahat kasama na ng package. Ang tatrabahuin na lang namin is i-install, i-tono, i-test of course, and make sure everything is alright. Pero kung may budget, ito yung isa sa pinaka the best and worthy upgrade na gagawin mo sa 70 series na sasakyan mo. So basta pagka tungkol sa 70 series ninyo V8 Rebirths, visit lang dito sa Dog Overland and Off-Road Solutions. We'll take care of everything for you.